Welcome students in a series of data handling. Today we will study double bar graphs. But before it, let us revise what are bar graphs actually. Bar graph represents data by rectangular bars. These kind of rectangular bars. For example, it is a bar graph which represents school supplies students use like pencil, scale, pen, sharpener, eraser, how many pencils students use, how many scale they use, how many pen they use. So this bar graph represents that number of school supplies used by students. So now here it is a bar graph, and very top of this bar graph it is a title of the bar graph, school supplies students use. Here number of supplies like how many pencils, number of pencils 8 pencils, number of scale 3, number of pens 2, number of sharpener 5, number of eraser 4. So these are number of supplies which is on y-axis. This axis is called y-axis and this axis is called x-axis. And this type of data which is on x-axis in a bar graph, it is a kind of textual data like pencil, scale, pen, sharpener, eraser. And this kind of data which is on y-axis is called numerical data, because it is in form of numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, number of supplies. So it is in form of numerals. That's why it is called numerical data. And here is scale, numbers to show how many. And here you can see 0 to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. It means scale is 1 centimeter equal to 1 supply. That's why we have used 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. So it is an example of bar graph. Double bar graphs, the two bars represents different part of the data. For example, girls and boys or different grades. This makes it easier to compare the two sets of data. Yes, remember this thing that double bar graphs are used to compare data. For example, see here. This is double bar graph participation in camp activities. Here on y-axis number of campers and on x-axis activities, camp activities like tennis, swimming, etc. And here we have taken two symbols, color code, dark pink for girls and light blue for boys. So there are two bars for each activity. That's why it is double bar graph. There are two horizontal bars together in double bar graph. Like for tennis, we can read like this. For tennis, this dark pink, it means for girls, represents 30. It means 30 girls participated in tennis. And this light blue, which represents boys, it means 25 boys participated in tennis. In similar way, we can interpret it this one also, that dark pink, it means girls who are participating are 35 for swimming, and swimming activity for boys there are again 35 boys. So we can compare this like boys and girls, same number of boys and girls are participating in swimming, and in tennis girls are participating more than boys. We can compare like this. So that's why it is double bar graph and is used for comparing the data. And like the bar graph, the vertical axis shows the amount of data and the horizontal axis shows the categories of data. For an example, here categories of data means camp activities, and here amount of data, number of campers. It is a numerical data and it is textual data. Let us prepare double bar graph on a graph paper. Draw a double bar graph to compare the favorite ice cream flavors of boys and girls in a class, whose data is as given below. It is the data. Here, flavors vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and butterscotch. And here are two categories, boys and girls. And vanilla ice cream is liked by 9 boys and 5 girls. Chocolate ice cream is liked by 6 boys and 10 girls. Strawberry ice cream is liked by 4 boys and 12 girls. Butterscotch ice cream is liked by 8 boys and 7 girls. We have to represent this data on double bar graph. So first take a graph paper and draw axis. Always leave 2 centimeter space from y-axis and from x-axis also, so that you can write labels here. Okay, so I have left 2 centimeter horizontally also and vertically also. Then I have drawn two axes. It is our very first task to create axes, x-axis and y-axis. Here we have to write the title, and here we have to write the scale. Just observe the question again, that what is the title and what would be the scale. This question is about the favorite ice cream. It means the title of this double bar graph will be favorite ice cream. And at x-axis, we have to take the textual data, which is the category like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, butterscotch, and they are the flavors. So on x-axis, we will write flavors, and on y-axis, we will take number of students, boys and girls. So it is our title, favorite ice cream, and on y-axis, number of students, on x-axis, flavors. And our scale, yes, x-axis flavors, y-axis number of students, and this y-axis contains numerical data. That's why here the scale will be 1 centimeter equal to 2 students. It means at first we will write 0, then 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 14. Right, everyone? So now we can start the double bar graph, but before it, let us decide the color code for boys, which is blue, and color code for girls is orange. Let us observe first category, that vanilla ice cream is liked by 9 boys. Therefore, we will draw a rectangular bar up to 9. So 9 will be here between 8 to 10 here. So we will draw a rectangular bar for boys for vanilla flavor like this. Again observe this data, that vanilla flavor ice cream is liked by 5 girls, right? Therefore we will draw an orange rectangular bar just with this blue bar on vanilla flavor like this, up to 5. 5 will be between 4 to 6 here. Here is the 5, so the height will be up to 5 like this. Let us observe the second data, that is chocolate flavor, and it is liked by 6 boys and 10 girls. So for 6 boys and 10 girls, I have drawn again two rectangular bars, one for blue, which represents 6 boys like chocolate flavor, so up to 6, and another orange bar with that blue bar for chocolate flavor, but for girls. It is up to 10. 10 girls like chocolate flavor. Now third flavor is strawberry flavor, and it is liked by 4 boys and 12 girls. Therefore, we have drawn this strawberry flavor here, and for rectangular bar for boys up to 4 and for girls up to 12. It means 12 girls like strawberry flavor and 4 boys like strawberry flavor. Butterscotch ice cream liked by 8 boys and 7 girls. So here on graph paper, butterscotch flavor liked by 8 boys and 7 girls. 7 will be in between 6 to 8 here. So it is our double bar graph by which we can compare the flavors of ice cream which are liked by boys and girls, and we can easily find out just by looking at this bar graph. Strawberry flavor is liked by girls more than boys, and boys liked vanilla flavor more than girls. So it is our double bar graph. Now let us learn how to read double bar graphs. See, which kind of movie do boys prefer the most? Here is the double bar graph which represents favorite movies of students of class 5, and the kind of movies are drama, comedy, musical, thriller and science fiction. Here on y-axis number of students, and this blue bar represents boy and this orange bar represents girl. So which kind of movie do boys prefer the most? So see the height of blue bar. Yes, this is the highest one and it is for thriller. It means the boys prefer thriller movies the most. Second question, which kind of movies do girls prefer the most? So see the height of orange bar. It is the highest one. It means it is musical. So we can say the girls preferred musical movie the most. Then which kind of movies are liked both equally? So see where blue and orange bar are equal here, and it is for science fiction. So we can say science fiction movies are equally liked by both boys and girls. Next question is, how many more girls watch musical movies than boys? See here, musical movies. So how many more means we have to find out the number. Here number of girls are 30 who likes musical movies and number of boys are 10. It means the difference will be 20. So we can say 20 more girls watch musical movies than boys. Next question is, which kind of movies do boys prefer more than girls do? So see where blue bar is greater than orange bar. So there are two categories. In comedy also blue bar is greater than orange bar, and in thriller also blue bar is greater than orange bar. It means we can say that boys prefer comedy and thriller type of movies more as compared to girls. Next question is, list the kind of movies for girls in order of their preference from least to most. It means where number of girls are least and then number of girls to most. It means it is a ascending order. So the least count starts from thriller. See here the orange bar only. It is thriller. It means thriller, and then comedy, then science fiction, then drama, and last most of them like musical movies. Let us see another question. Use the graph given below to answer the question. Now, at first, study the graph. Use of computer. It represents use of computer. And what are the uses? Computer activities, email, games, internet surfing, PowerPoint, and chatting. And here you can see that green bar represents boy and this yellow bar represents girls. And here number of students. Now, let us find out. For which activity is a computer used the most by the boys? So, where is the green bar which is higher? Yes, this one, games. So, the computer is used the most by the boys for games. Next, which is the most liked activities of the girls? So, where is the yellow bar which is highest? Yes, chatting. Girls like chatting a lot. Yes, the most liked activity of the girls is chatting. Then Which activity has the least difference in terms of numbers between boys and girls? Least difference. So we can find out the difference by comparing the two bars from here. So see, compare all this and you can find here is a difference which is less, right? It means the activity that has the least difference in terms of number between boys and girls is internet surfing. Just by observing the bar graph, we can give the answer very easily. Then which activity has the most difference in terms of numbers between boys and girls? So see where is the difference is greater. So you can say the activity that has the most difference in terms of numbers between boys and girls is games. Then list the computer activities in order of liking for boys and girls. In order of liking means you have to write down a order. It means for boys, boys like games a lot. After game, internet surfing, then chatting, then email, and least preferred PowerPoint. Then for girls, girls likes chatting a lot, then email and PowerPoint, and internet surfing, and then games. So it is a way we can interpret the double bar graph and we can give answer of any kind of question. And these double bar graphs are also very easy and we use them to compare the data. So my dear student, practice all the questions from this video and do it in your notebook. Goodbye.